Switching from an iPhone to an Android phone can be exciting, but one of the biggest headaches is transferring your contacts. By default, iCloud keeps your contacts locked to Apple devices, so they won't automatically appear on your new Android. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to transfer your contacts from iPhone to Android. We'll use iCloud, Google Contacts, and simple third-party apps. By the end, you'll have your entire address book ready on your Android phone. Step 1. Check iCloud contacts on iPhone. First, let's make sure your iPhone is actually syncing contacts with iCloud. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID name at the top, then select iCloud. Here, make sure Contacts is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on and wait a few minutes. This ensures your contacts are stored in iCloud, which is necessary for the next steps. Step 2. Export contacts from iCloud.com. Now, let's move your contacts out of iCloud and into a format that Android understands. On a computer, open a browser and go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Contacts. Press Command A if you're using Mac, or Control A on Windows to select all your contacts. Then click the Share icon in the top right corner and choose Export vCard. This will download all your contacts as a .vcf file, which we'll use in the next step. Step 3. Import contacts into Google Contacts. Now, let's import that file into your Google account so it syncs with your Android phone. Go to contacts.google.com and sign in with the same Google account you use on your Android phone. On the left side, click Import, then select the .vcf file you just downloaded. Within seconds, all your iCloud contacts will be imported into Google Contacts. Now, on your Android phone, just open the Contacts app, refresh, and you'll see everything synced automatically. Alternative: use third-party apps. If you'd rather skip iCloud and Google altogether, you can use third-party apps. These make it really simple to copy contacts directly from iPhone to Android. Let's look at two of the most reliable ones. Option 1. My Contacts Backup. On your iPhone, open the App Store and search for My Contacts Backup. Download and install it. Open the app, tap Backup. It will create a .vcf file with all your contacts. Next, tap Email. The app will attach the .vcf file to an email. Send this email to yourself. To download and import contacts, follow the steps. Open your email app, for example, Gmail, on the Android phone. Open the email with .vcf file and download the attachment. Open File Manager, go to Downloads, and find the .vcf file you just downloaded. Tap it, and your phone will prompt you to import contacts. When asked where to save, select your Google account. This way your contacts stay backed up and sync across devices. You'll see a confirmation like 18 contacts will be imported shortly. Finally, open the Contacts app and check that everything has been imported correctly. Option 2. Copy my data. First, export contacts from iPhone. On your iPhone, install Copy My Data from App Store. Open the app. Allow contacts access when prompted. Tap Contacts. Choose Backup. Select Export as VCF.VCF. Tap Share. Choose Mail or Gmail. Enter your own email address and send. Attachment: contacts.vcf. Now import contacts on Android. To download and import contacts, follow the steps. Open your email app, for example, Gmail, on the Android phone. Open the email with .vcf file and download the attachment. Open File Manager, go to Downloads, and find the .vcf file you just downloaded. Tap it, and your phone will prompt you to import contacts. When asked where to save, select your Google account. This way your contacts stay backed up and sync across devices. You'll see a confirmation like, 18 contacts will be imported shortly. Finally, open the Contacts app and check that everything has been imported correctly. And that's it. You now know step by step how to transfer your contacts from iPhone to Android. Whether you used iCloud and Google Contacts or third-party apps, your entire address book is now ready on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone to Android tutorials, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues.